Hi everyone, I am Sudhir Gupta, teacher in Study Hall, Lucknow. Welcome to my channel School Jaisa. Support me with your like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Continuing with the chapter Force and Pressure, part 7. Here in this part we will study about atmospheric pressure. We will also study how the crushing of the can takes place. That means what is the effect of the atmospheric pressure. So before starting this, let's take some example. If I say I have taken a physical balance, you know the physical balance which you would have seen at the time whenever you go to buy something, that is vegetables and all that, fruits, all that from the market. You would have seen this kind of the physical balance. So when we go to buy the vegetables or the fruits, we see this kind of the balance. So I have taken this physical balance. Now I am putting the two balloon over here on the separate pan. Initially what I observed that the balloons were without air, so the pan was going to be showing the indicator like this. That means it is balanced. Means out of the two pan, none of them is going to have the more mass or weight. But in the case, if I do this, that if I take one of the balloon and fill air into it, now keeping this balloon into it, what will be your observation? Definitely the observation will be this, that this portion, that is the balance, is going to be like this. Balance would be tilted like this. That means the air which was there into the balloon was having some mass, because initially when the two balloons were without air, they were of the same mass, and due to which the physical balance was in the balanced position. That is, the indicator was a straight. But when we filled one of the balloon with the air, then what do we observe? Since some air was there into it, and due to the mass of the air or the weight of air, the physical balance tilted on one side. That means indicator would be showing like this, not like this. What do we conclude with this? That air is going to have weight. What do we conclude with this? That air is going to have weight. It means when we talk about the atmospheric pressure, we should talk about the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the air which is present around us. That is the kind of the blanket of the air, envelope of the air which is around us. That is the atmosphere. And that air is not going to be around us only in this area. It's going to be above, high above in the sky. Means as we go up, we will see that air is there, and that is approximately 300 to 400 kilometer above to us. Now think about it. When I said that air is going to have the weight, so when the air is having the weight, then that weight would be continuously exerting on our body, on our head. And I think maybe you would be knowing or not, the weight of the air which is going to be exerted on our head, that is on the head of an adult man or woman, that is equal to the weight of the baby elephant. Now the question comes, so if the weight is to this extent, then why our head do not get crushed? My God, this much weight, that is the weight of an elephant, baby elephant. So my head should get crushed. My body should get crushed with the weight of the air which is acting on our body. But it is not. Why so? Because the fluid which is present inside our body, the gas which is present inside our body, the blood which is present inside our body, that is also exerting a kind of force from inside. So that force which is going to be exerted from inside, that is balancing the pressure of the air from outside, and this is the reason we do not feel uncomfortable. So when we do not feel uncomfortable, but the question comes, sometimes we hear that the people have the problem of high blood pressure. So why do they have the sometimes the pressure, high blood pressure? Or sometimes we also come to know that people have the problem of low blood pressure. Now why do they have the high blood pressure? Why do they have the low blood pressure? So whenever it happens that the atmospheric pressure that is acting from outside our body become less than that of the pressure of the blood which is acting from inside, then the pressure from inside is more than from outside, and this is the reason we have a problem at that time called high blood pressure. And opposite is the case of the low blood pressure. That is the pressure from the outside, that is the atmospheric pressure acting on our body is greater than that of the blood pressure which is acting from the inside. Then we have the low blood pressure. So what do I say? That whatever the air layers are going to be there just above to our body, above to sea level, they all are going to be continuously exerting a force on each and every article, in each and everything on this world. So that pressure which is exerted on an object by the weight of the column of air over it, that is called the atmospheric pressure. This much is clear to everyone. Now we come to crushing of can. Is there any effect of the atmospheric pressure? Yes, that I already told. That's the high blood pressure and the low blood pressure. Now one thing more, we can do it with the example. Let us take a can. Initially I have taken this can was empty. When I say empty, it means it's not this, nothing is there in it. There is something. What is that thing? That is air. When the air is inside, so definitely those air molecules will be exerting the pressure from inside like this, and the atmospheric pressure was exerting like this from the outside. Since both pressures were same, due to which the can was going to have its own shape. It's not going to be deformed. It's not going to be get crushed. Now we take the same can and we fill it with some water. Now on filling some water into it, let us take the water which is filled into it is up to this level. So now again, but this much portion is water and the portion above to it is air. So here again what will happen? The bottle is not going to get crushed. Now why? Because here again the water was exerting the pressure from inside, atmospheric pressure was exerting from outside like this. Similarly here the air was exerting the pressure from inside and the atmospheric pressure was exerting from outside. But in all it was balanced. When in all it was balanced, due to which it will not get crushed, it will not deform. Now we take third condition, that we are taking the same container, same bottle, and we are, after taking some water in it, we allow the water to get heated up. When allow the water to get heated up, what my observation is, that the water when get heated up, the steam will try to come out. But I close this bottle mouth. Steam is going to be there inside. Now we take another container in which we have taken some ice cubes. These are the some ice cubes which has been taken by me. What I want to do with it will let you know. Why do I want the ice cubes? So when I have heated the container, the water started turning steam, and when suddenly I allow to pour water on it, then what will be my observation? The water which is poured from outside on the container will lower down the temperature of the steam, and that steam will get condensed. And when that steam will get condensed, then maybe it can happen that the pressure which was from inside become less. Why the pressure become less? Because when the steam will get condensed, because initially when we have started heating, we have allowed all the air to go out. So only the steam was there. And when the steam get condensed, then vacuum has been created over here in this portion, and due to which pressure exerted from this portion became less, and the atmospheric pressure which was exerting from outside was as it is, and due to which it get crushed like this. It comes to the new shape like this. So here we come to know the effect of the atmospheric pressure, that the can get crushed like this, can get deformed in its shape. Or we can do like this: when the steam has been produced and we keep this container in this ice can portion, then automatically it will get condensed. Why will it get condensed? Because as soon as that bottle which was having the steam with water was kept in this, the steam will get condensed. When the steam will get condensed, then the pressure from inside will become less, whereas the atmospheric pressure will be acting as it is, and due to which it get crushed. So in all, the crushing of the can is due to the difference between the pressure which is acting from inside and the atmospheric pressure which is acting from outside. In the first case, what I did, that I have taken the container with some water, I started heating. When I started heating, initially the cap was open, bottle was open, so air came out first, and later on that I closed it, then the steam had been produced, steam was there in it, but when we have poured water on it, then that steam get condensed. When that steam get condensed, due to which the vacuum has been created on the portion which was just above to water, and due to which the pressure which has to act from inside became zero almost, whereas the atmospheric pressure was acting as it is, and due to which it get crushed. Thank you.